Somebody run him out, no, man. Why, man? Why you not give him a chance?
Say,
What want me so?
everything nice. Yeah, man.
Precious there.
But the madman, I love the dancer, so.
Me don't know it. Run him out, man.
Come out of here, man. Lord, man, for Marie, what a way you shine up. Come out of here, boy. Precious, you now come.
Yo. What? Say it fresh. Why go on fresh? Thing nice. Seeing babes. Don't I hear me? You see all the people in a pasta who love their mother. Put up on the right hand. Put up tid. Nah, man. I want to reach ya. One little somebody alone love their mother. You will only need to analyze on the life, you know, man. But now watch the face still now, because I'm going to forget them due respect what them deserve, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, man, all of the single mothers, them, all of the mothers them who have and don't have it no more. Don't worry, when we get more. Now watch the face still now. You see the one I'm dedicated to Precious especially.
Yeah, that friend.
Blessed love. Watch how we flip it.
No, I don't want a madman here. No, I'm sorry, Mr. Levan. Oh, me love that tune, Precious. That's the way
Mama, you gave life to me. Turn to baby.
Could I say something here, Sir Ray Charles dead?
Would you ladies like a drink?
No! What is this man here? Coming out of them old crosses. Country boy going like foreigner.
Suzanne, would you like a drink?
My name's Susie. Tell me don't want a drink from you. You deaf? You know him? Oh, what? That's some old escape convict.
The Precious, would you like a drink?
What is this man here?
Where you know my name from? Stop walking and ask people my name, right? Because I don't know you.
Well, I know you. I'm your father.
You're ambitious, Narati! If I laugh at it! Mama, mind flying.
Yes, I'm your father.
My father did long time.
That's right. And we don't want no dumpy around here. Come on, Precious.
Just wait, hear me out now.
Here you are for Master Gore, where you did all these years. Come on, Precious. Come
I
on.
come back here for
Come
the
back
daughter.
here. And
go
go
here
here.
until I get
Come on,
her
Precious.
back.
No, I lie down like you know, from work, you know.